I have my white piece of paper and my black crayon. I pinch my hands around the crayon, wrap my fingers around the back. On the bottom, I sign my name. I'm talking today about value and contrast. Value is how light or dark something is. So I start by coloring very light or soft, press a little harder, making a darker value, a little harder, and then at the end I press as hard as I can to get the darkest black. So it ranges in value from very soft, very light, medium to dark. I can draw with my black crayon using the tip. I can shade with my black crayon. Shade is like giving something a shadow. So wherever the light would be is lighter, and wherever the shadow is or further away is the shadow. I want you to experiment with different values of black and gray and try and draw something and then give it a shadow. The shadow is the same shape as the object. Here my shadow is also a circle, and I'm shading on the side. Here my shadow is also a square. When you're done, you can put your supplies away neatly and nicely. Now I'm using black paper and a white crayon. I sign my name. At the bottom, I pinch my fingers on the crayon and wrap my other fingers on the back, holding it towards the tip. I'm going to create a value scale, just like we did with the black crayon, coloring really soft, really lightly, pressing a little darker, and finally pressing very hard so that we get brighter value. So we have light, medium, and dark. That's called a value scale. And when we draw with white on black, that creates a lot of contrast. Contrast is something that is different or something that stands out. I want you to try creating highlights. Highlights are where it's brighter, where the sun would hit. So a highlight on a circle would be where the sun would hit and it's lighter, creating a highlight.